How many stereoisomers will be formed from the addition of phenyl to this molecule? If we look into this question, there are two important compounds. The first one is your aldehyde, and that's because of the functional group CHO. And the second one is the organometallic compound, phenyl. So this is your organometallic compound. Now, what is your organometallic compound going to do to this compound? So in general, when you react a carbonyl compound, so more specifically, if you take a formaldehyde and react it with organometallic compounds, then it's going to give a primary alcohol. If you take any aldehyde other than formaldehyde, it's going to give a secondary alcohol, and a ketone is going to give a tertiary alcohol. And this is all with organometallic compounds. Okay, now let's read the question again. How many stereoisomers will be formed from the addition of phenyl to this molecule? Now let's first identify the number of stereoisomers that this molecule, number of chiral centers that this molecule already has. So obviously you can see that this carbon right here is a chiral center. So this is already going to result in two stereoisomers. But we wanted to find out, with the addition of phenyl, will there be any stereoisomers formed? For that, let's draw the structure of phenyl. So here is the structure for phenyl. Now, what is the specialty of this compound? This compound is going to behave as a nucleophile. Now, why as a nucleophile? Because of the electropositive lithium, which is going to definitely have a partial positive charge on it, this carbon right here is going to be partially negative. So I'm going to put a partial negative charge on it. And therefore, this can behave as a nucleophile. This part can behave as a nucleophile, trying to go and attack the electropositive carbonyl carbon and thrusting the electrons onto the oxygen. Okay, so let me write the product that we'll be getting from this reaction. Here is the structure that we'll be getting. But this compound, this intermediate as such, is not going to be stable because it has a negative charge on it. And therefore, it has to be protonated. When it is protonated, it will be converted into an alcohol. Now you can see that there is a new chiral center that has been created, because of which there should be two more stereoisomers in this compound. So on the whole, the answer for this question is going to be